Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are running a Shopify store and want to change your store name and URL, you are in the right place. Whether you are rebranding or just want a fresh start, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to update your Shopify store name and domain. Let's get started. First of all, let's change your Shopify store name. Keep in mind that this name appears in your Shopify um, dashboard and in same customer facing areas like emails and invoices. Now log into your Shopify admin panel, click on settings, bottom left corner, select store details. From here, under basic information, find store name field and type in your new store name like t-shirt hat. Click save at the top right corner. That's it. Your store name is now updated. But remember, changing your store name doesn't automatically change your Shopify URL. That requires a different process which we will cover next. Okay, by default, Shopify gives you a store URL like your storename.myshopify.com. Unfortunately, you cannot change this default Shopify subdomain. However, you can buy a new custom domain or connect an existing one to place it. If you want a professional looking URL, buying a custom domain is the best option. Here's how to do it directly from Shopify. Go back to Shopify admin dashboard, then settings, then domains from left side. Click buy new domain, search for a domain like your newstore.com, newstore.com. If the domain is available, click buy and complete the purchase. Shopify will automatically set it as your primary domain. Now your store will be accessible at your new domain instead of the .myshopify.com URL. If you already have a domain from GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another provider, you can connect it to Shopify. Here's how. Go back to Shopify admin, then go to settings, then domains. Click connect existing domain. Enter your domain name like yourstore.com. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your DNS settings in your domain provider's dashboard. Verify the connection and set it as your primary domain. Once the DNS updates, which may take up to 48 hours, your Shopify store will use the new domain. And that's how you change your Shopify store name and URL. Changing your Store name is simple and upgrading. A custom domain makes your brand look more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.